Hey everyone, we've got a super exciting, fast-paced mission today. You've got exactly 2 minutes to wrap your head around designing your very own cybersecurity awareness app. Basically, you're building a tool to teach everyday people about malware. It's totally creative, absolutely crucial, and I'm going to walk you through the exact blueprint you need to get started right now.
Okay, let's dive into this. You see that quote? Help users stay safe online. That is the absolute core of this entire project. We're not just trying to make something that, looks pretty. We're building a real, active educational tool. So to pull this off, you've really got to think about your audience. You need to present this stuff in a way that's simple, professional, and honestly, just super engaging to use.
Now think about your user journey wireframe. It's a fantastic blueprint. It maps out the entire flow of the app, literally from the second a user opens it, all the way to when they log off. Notice how it relies on really strong, clear visuals, things like a shield for safety or a little bug icon for a virus. That's totally by design. It makes navigating the app feel intuitive, and it makes learning about cybersecurity feel way less intimidating. So, let's break down how this actually looks in practice. Your app flow has to be logical. First up, step 1, you kick things off with a welcoming splash screen and a big, obvious start button. Then, boom, step 2, users hit the main menu. Think of this as the central hub where they pick which malware topic they want to learn about. And that leads directly into step 3, the individual topic screens for a deep dive. It's a really smooth, direct path from saying hello straight into the good stuff. All right, now for the meat of the app. You need to cover 7 specific threats. Let's run through them real quick. First up, the classic virus. This nasty thing attaches to files and spreads when you open them. So tell your users to install antivirus and never open weird attachments. Next is the worm. This guy is sneaky. It spreads across networks totally on its own, no user action needed. The fix? Firewalls, limiting network sharing, and regular software patches. Then there's the Trojan. It disguises itself as safe software but hides harmful code inside. The golden rule here is to only download from trusted sources and scan files first. What about spyware? Well, it secretly watches what you're doing to steal things like passwords, which is why checking app permissions and using anti-spyware tools are absolutely crucial. And ransomware? That one literally locks your files and demands a payoff. Remind users to always back up their data and avoid suspicious links. Then we have Adware, which basically just spams you with unwanted ads and slows down your device. Ad blockers and removing weird browser extensions are your best friends there. And finally, the botnet. This is when a hacker controls a whole network of infected computers. Keeping devices updated and using a firewall to block strange traffic is key here. So the crucial point is, for every single one of these on your topic screens, you have to clearly explain what it is, how it works, and exactly how the user can protect themselves.
Okay, so once your user finishes exploring those topics, you've got to wrap things up on a high note. Right before the final exit screen, you want to drop in some general safety tips. Keep it really simple, but more importantly, keep it actionable. Remind them to keep their software updated, use their antivirus, only download from places they actually trust, and just generally be careful out there. It's the perfect little summary to reinforce the whole point of your app, keeping them safe.
Well, that actually wraps up our quick guide, which means it's the beginning of your mission. You've got the user flow down, you know the 7 specific types of malware you need to cover, and you know exactly what your overarching goal is. So, what does this all mean? It means it's time to get to work. Are you ready to grab some paper, start sketching those wireframes, and build an app that actually empowers people to stay smart and stay safe? You've got this.